Stay posted.
Soccer 365 and La Casaca have drummed up this series of LAFC concept kits. Since there's no official jersey sponsor at the moment, they elected to go with Banc of California for the time being. What do you think of these? Like the way the jersey sponsor ties the kit together? Already have a favorite?